Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have a Firecracker string light. I'll show you guys what this one is here. Comes with its plug for it. Comes with the light here and instructions, I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. So if you've used some of these Firecracker string lights, these ones are cool. So it's kind of like those fairy lights with an extra little twist that they kind of have that, pull it out like that, they come out. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So it's gonna go this way. I'll screw it in here. So it looks like we could probably use this one outside. And I'm gonna plug it in to my little power bank here. And look at that, so there we go. So now this is super bright. These are way brighter than I thought they would be. Okay, so the kind of the way it works, you see, it's whatever these two colors are, or color is, or something like that, stays kind of lit, and then the other ones are the flashing ones. So those ones flash. So that's kind of how the concept is. So this is cool. So if you like these little lights like this, but also sometimes, most of them come on batteries, but this one here, you're able to plug it in. And it comes with a nice long wire here, so you could have the lead to it wherever, and then have it going over a window or anywhere you want. And it's got a nice long chain of lights. So this is cool. This is good. So this is gonna be a fun little set here. And I'm gonna guess we're probably about 10 or 12 feet of it. Does it say on there? I don't think it even says. But no, but you get the idea. It's very cool and nice and bright and little lights. You can put them wherever and they are fun. And then I like the way it plugs in, so you can put it on your tree if you want to. You can do whatever. So these ones are cool. I could put them around my TV here. Let me just finish unwrapping it here. Okay, there we go. Now it's completely unwrapped and I could just go and drape it on my TV here, like that, and have it go in like that, whatever I want. So, I mean, you guys can't see it as much because it's in front of the TV, but it looks cool. I like it. So thumbs up, these are great. So if you need some little lights, these are cool ones.